Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox purchase errors. First, ensure your internet connection is stable. A weak signal can interrupt transactions. Next, try restarting the Roblox app and your device, as this often resolves minor glitches. Always check the official Roblox server status to confirm everything is operational. Finally, make sure your Roblox application is updated to the newest version, as outdated apps frequently cause purchase issues. If your purchase still isn't completing, let's look at payment methods. Carefully review all your payment information, like the card number and expiration date, for any typos. Ensure you have enough funds available to cover the transaction. Sometimes, your bank might flag a purchase for security reasons, so contact them directly if declines persist. If issues continue, try a different payment option, such as a Roblox gift card or PayPal. Next, let's check your account and device settings. First, verify your Roblox account's email or phone number. This is a crucial security step. Try clearing the Roblox app's cache and data, which can resolve issues caused by corrupted files. Also, confirm your device's date and time settings are set to automatic. Remember, for adding or updating payment methods, it's best to use the Roblox website on a browser, not solely the mobile app. If you've tried everything and the purchase still isn't completed, it's time to contact Roblox support for personalized assistance. Be aware that pending charges on your bank statement typically clear within 1 to 10 business days. For future purchases, consider using Roblox gift cards, which can sometimes offer a more straightforward transaction. Also, after a successful purchase, it can take up to 24 hours for Robux to appear in your account.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.